Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video we shall take more important questions, short answer more important questions relating to inverse trigonometric functions. First question, find the value of sine inverse sine 2 pi over 3. Solution, we have sine inverse sine 2 pi over 3 sine inverse sine pi minus pi over 3, which is sine inverse sine pi over 3, which is equal to pi over 3. This is the answer. Second question, find the value of tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4. Solution, we have tan inverse tan 3 pi by 4 is equal to tan inverse tan pi minus pi by 4 is equal to tan inverse minus tan pi by 4, which is minus tan inverse tan pi by 4 is equal to minus pi by 4. This is the answer. Then third question, find value of tan of sine inverse 3 over 5 plus cot inverse 3 over 2. Now, solution, let sine inverse 3 over 5 is x and cot inverse 3 over 2 is y. Therefore, 3 over 5 is equal to sin x, and we can apply right triangle. This is x, this is 3, this is 5, and the hypotenuse is 25 minus 9. It is, 25 plus 9, it is square root 34. Similarly, and 3 by 2 is cot y. Here also we can apply this. This y, this is 3, 2, and this is square root 13. Therefore, sine y is 2 over square root 13. Cos y is 3 over square root 13. Similarly, here sin x is 3 over 5. Cos x is square root of 1 minus sin square x. 1 minus 9 over 25, which is 25 minus 9 over 5. 16 square root over 25, which is 4 over 5. 4 over 5. We need not to do it because we have taken the sin x and cos x. Now we have tan inverse sin inverse 3 over 5 plus cot inverse 3 over 2 is equal to tan inverse sin inverse 3 over 5 plus cot inverse 3 over 2. This we can write y is equal to sin inverse 2 over square root 13. So this is sin inverse 2 over square root 13. Now we can apply sin inverse A plus sin inverse B. Sin inverse A plus sin inverse B is this is tan, not tan inverse. Therefore, is equal to tan sin inverse A plus sin inverse B is A into square root of 1 sin inverse A into 1 minus B square root plus B into square root of 1 minus A square. That is sin inverse 3 over 5 into square root of 1 minus 4 over 13 plus 2 over square root 13 is equal to 1 minus 9 over 25. This is tan of sin inverse 3 over 5 into 3 over square root 13. This is 13 minus 4, 9 plus 2 over square root 13 into 4 over 5. This is tan of sin inverse 9 over 5 square root 13 plus 8 over 5 square root 13, which is equal to tan of sin inverse 17 over square root 5 square root 13. Now let's sin of sin inverse 17 over 5 square root 13 is equal to z. Sin z is equal to 17 over 5 square root 13. So we can apply right triangle. This is z, this is 17, this is 5 square root 13. So its base is 5 square root 13 square minus 17 square whole square root. This is 25 into 13 is 325 minus 289 square root 36, which is 6. So base is 6. Therefore, tan z is, therefore tangent z is equal to 17 over 6. Z is equal to tan inverse 17 over 6. And z is, we have sin, therefore sin inverse 17 over 5 square root 13 is equal to tan inverse 17 over 6. Therefore, we have tan of Sin inverse 3 over 5 plus cot inverse 3 over 2 is equal to tan of sin inverse 17 over 5 square root 13, which is equal to tan of tan inverse 17 over 6. So which is equal to 17 over 6. This is the answer. Next question. Question number 4. Fourth question. Find the value of cos inverse cos of 7 pi over 6. Solution. Cos inverse cos of 7 pi over 6 is equal to cos inverse cos of pi plus pi over 6. This is third quadrant. Cos inverse minus cos pi by 6. Cos inverse minus theta is pi minus cos inverse theta, which is pi minus cos inverse cos pi by 6. Therefore, pi minus pi over 6, it is 6 pi minus pi over 6, which is 5 pi over 6. This is the answer. Then we take fifth question. Fifth question. Find the value of tan inverse 2 cos into 2 sin inverse half. Solution. We have tan inverse 2 cos of 2 sin inverse half is equal to sin inverse half is sin pi by 6. Tan inverse 2 cos 2 sin inverse bracket sin pi by 6 is equal to tan inverse 2 cos 2 into pi by 6. Now tan inverse 2 into cos pi by 3 is half, which is equal to tan inverse 1, which is equal to tan inverse tan pi by 4, which is pi by 4. This is the answer. That's all. In the next video, we shall take more important questions of short answer questions. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. Thank you. See you in the next video.